Hello, everyone. We are at CES 2019 at the Razer area, I guess you can say. And we are going to be talking about the Tomahawk PC case. And would you just want to talk about it and kind of just give the ropes of what the Tomahawk is?
Sure. So the Razer Tomahawk family of PC chassis is Razer's first ever designed in-house and developed in-house line of PC chassis. We've traditionally always worked with strategic partners such as NZXT Antec and Lee towards getting designed by Razer chassis out in the market. That program has expanded. We're continuously working with other partners, bringing more chassis such as the Lee PCO 11 Dynamic. And in addition, we are developing our own line of chassis called the Razer Tomahawk family of chassis, the Razer Tomahawk and the Razer Tomahawk Elite. And it's essentially our vision for how high-end desktop PC gaming would be like. And it's something our fans have always asked us for. And we're really excited to be showcasing this at CES.
So my biggest question, I guess you could say, for Razer is we see the Tomahawk, we see the Raptor, monitor. Do you think you guys are going to be getting more into the other PC components and the more high-end pro-consumer side of the market?
That's a great question. So when it comes to PC components, our strategy right now is around the Razer Chroma Connected Devices program, where we've got about 15 partners, most of whom actually make components inside the PC, RAM, graphic cards, motherboard, SSDs, etc. So we worked with these strategic partners to enable Chroma lighting for them to instantly connect into Synapse, get the Razer experience, get the Razer lighting experience, and have that unified lighting and Chroma experience that is just not wasn't available in the past. So Razer peripherals, Razer chassis, and components inside the desktop, which are part of the Connected Devices program, to work in a unified manner. So our strategy around that is, to ensure that everyone out there gets to help build and unify the ecosystem for RGB lighting inside the desktop PC.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I know you guys last year talked about how you were going to be partnering with Philips Hue on doing all the RGB stuff. How's that going? Are you guys doing any more with that?
Yeah, that's been going fantastic so far. Our integration with Philips Hue went live last year. We announced that Chroma is going to be an IoT platform. We've expanded those IoT capabilities apart from just smart lighting with Philips Hue and Nanoleaf. We've also got an exclusive partnership with Amazon Alexa, where we've got voice-enabled controls for you to interact with all your Chroma-enabled devices along with Philips Hue. And all of this works with the connected devices and the components inside the chassis, making the experience so much more immersive with both voice and smart lighting interacting with all things inside and outside the desktop.
All right, cool. So my channel is mainly focused on Apple, Apple everything. So you were just talking about how you're possibly having, or you guys partner with Amazon Alexa to have voice support. Of course, you partner with Philips Hue. Are we going to be seeing anything with HomeKit regarding RGB? I don't know if you're familiar with HomeKit, but if that would be a reality in the future, possibly with Razer.
At this point, I can't really comment on what our future plans are, but what I can say is our plans for RGB are obviously, in the IoT space, working across the board with smart lighting, with voice, and with home automation, etc. Whether it's Apple HomeKit or not is something that I won't be able to comment on. But we essentially listen to our fans, listen to our community, and if there is a need for anything that a community wants, we definitely be exploring it and trying to make sure that everyone gets that experience they ask for.
All right, cool. And then going back to the Tomahawk, when should we be expecting the Tomahawk, and what's the pricing for the Tomahawk?
Yeah, so the Tomahawk Elite is currently a prototype or a concept. We expect to have that rolled out sometime between the third or fourth quarter of this year. The Tomahawk, the standard edition, is going to be priced at about $199 US, available in Q2. Where the Elite still TBD because we're still fine tuning the specs for that product. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So that is pretty much the Tomahawk. Now we're going to be getting into Hypersense and